A Sunday reset focused on embracing a sustainable lifestyle is a great way to refresh and prepare for the upcoming week while incorporating eco-friendly habits. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Declutter mindfully. Sort and donate. Go through items you no longer use, especially clothes, books, and household items, instead of throwing them away. Donate or recycle responsibly. Digital declutter. Clean up your phone, email, and desktop to promote a clear mind and stay organized. 2. Meal prep with sustainability in mind. Use local, seasonal ingredients. Opt for fruits and veggies that are in season and sourced locally, reducing your carbon footprint. Reduce food waste. Plan meals based on what you already have to avoid overpurchasing. Incorporate leftovers creatively into new dishes. Eco-friendly containers. Store meals in reusable containers or glass jars rather than single-use plastics. 3. Clean with eco-friendly products. DIY natural cleaners. Use homemade solutions like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon to clean your space. Sustainable supplies. Swap out disposable cleaning products for reusable alternatives like cloth rags, mop pads, and bamboo brushes. 4. Energy efficiency check. Unplug devices. Unplug electronics that aren't in use to reduce spam and energy consumption. Check lights. Use LED bulbs, which consume less energy and last longer. 5. Self-care with a green twist. Natural products. Opt for natural skincare and personal care items, avoiding chemicals and plastic packaging. Meditate outdoors. Take time for a mindfulness break in nature, whether in your garden, hearth, or balcony. 6. Sustainable home hacks. Indoor gardening. Start growing herbs or small plants indoors to not only green your space but also have fresh ingredients at hand. Upcycle projects. Spend some time creating DIY projects from old furniture or materials you have lying around. For example, turning jars into organizers or refurbishing old furniture. 7. Plan for the week. Eco-friendly transportation. Consider walking, biking, or carpooling for your weekly errands and commuting. Zero waste planning. Prepare a zero waste kit with reusable shopping bags, water bottle, and utensils to carry with you throughout the week. 8. Reflection and gratitude. Journal. Reflect on the past week, setting eco-conscious goals for the next one. Focus on small habits that contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. By embracing these steps, you can use your Sunday reset to not only refresh yourself, but also make more conscious, sustainable choices that benefit both you and the planet.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.